This is a quick tutorial how to work with Transform Effector Shader on your models in your scene. So first go to Blueprints and drag and drop the BP Effector Shader into your scene. This will be controlling all the transformation. And then we need to add the material function into Master Materials. So open the Materials and click through the parents to find the Master Material. In here, we need to find the attributes. And once you get them, let's go to the functions, transform, and use this PPO transform master MPC, drag and drop it here, and wire the base color up here, normal up here, and VPO into world position offset. Hit apply and save. And once all the actors use the same master material, it's working for all the meshes. So you can now control the maximum distance, minimum distance. You can turn on and off the effect, show debug colors, so you see where is affecting where the effector is affecting your meshes, and you can change the transform as you want to, and it's all based on the shader. You can also change the rotation of the actors, and the scaling is already done. You can switch between two modes, which is the wave radial and the simple radial. Yeah, that's it. That's the quick tutorial for using Transform Effector Shader.